Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enhance photo quality on Photoshop. First of all, what you have to do is click on image, which is on the top side. Click on image and then click on image size. This window will appear. From here, what you have to do is change the width to pixels, height to pixels, resolution to pixels/inch, and you can also increase the size of resolution to 400, for instance. That's too much, so I will decrease it to 350. No, I will decrease it to 300. And then what you have to do is change the resample to the preserve details. Bump it up the noise reduction to 100. After that, you have to click on OK. Select this magnification glass, right click on your image and click on fit on screen. Now, after that, what you have to do is right click on your image and click on duplicate layer. Click on OK. A duplicate layer has been created. Now what you have to do is click on the filter, which is on the top side. Now you have to select sharpen, unsharp mask, click on it. Now change the values to amount to 80, change the radius to 10, and change the threshold to 16. And then click on OK. Again, go to the filter section, go to other, click on high pass. Change the radius to 0.5. Now go back to the layers, select the first layer and change it from normal to soft light. And there you have it. And that's how you can enhance your photo quality in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.